What's going on, guys? Today we are back, and today it's just me and Corey. There's snow everywhere, so we're gonna go maybe try to find some hill climbs or I don't know, something. We're trying to find some decent snow to really chew through. So like last time, we're starting our journey by heading up in elevation. Well, so far just following this road, we have found some interesting stuff. There was that one climb, and now we've come up to this awesome view. Well, this road really didn't last long. The last place I vlogged was like right there on that corner. Cool, time to turn around because it's another dead end. And as you can tell, down trees to us are just bonus obstacles.
I'll go high and hit it. Nope.
Anyways guys, that about wraps up this week's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry that the last couple of videos have ended up being a little bit short. We've been really busy, and we'll get back to our usual length videos ASAP. Anyways guys, if you like the stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you next week. Peace.